Two expectations now are business orchestration. That means I'm willing to reach out and ask for help, irrespective of the reporting structure, so that I can make my job happen, which is extremely matrix right now. And the last one is culture hacking. Culture hacking is the hardest part. Especially, I feel sorry for the Gen Zs and the younger millennials who are walking into the corporate workforce expecting that they are going to be welcomed with open arms, and when they come in, this is not even in my JD. Why am I doing this? It's frustrating. Why am I working for 18 hours a day? I didn't sign up for this. And if you ask the Gen X's and the slightly senior people, this is the way of life. They will transfer everything you say into a learning opportunity and into growth. There's nobody who's right or wrong here, guys. Do what works for you. Be where you want to be. But understand one thing. If you're excited about who you are and what you bring to the table, forget everything else and hack into the culture of your organization. Because ultimately, the first thing you need to really care about is your own mental well-being.